Welcome to day number 23. If you've not been following us, we are now 23 days old. You can go back and watch our videos. In today's video, we talk about agak, agak, agak. Ma en winyo mar agak. Ma en winyo mar agak. The crow. The second word of the day is agenga, agenga, agenga. So something that prevents passage or progress, an obstacle, something on the water. Agenga, agenga, nga, nga, agenga. Good. Number 3, today's word of the day is ageya, ageya. That is, if you do something with sinister intent, we say mano otimo mar ageya. Mano otimo mar ageya, ageya. And the fourth word of the day is aginga, agenga, agenga. That is East Coast fever. Dhiang nigi tuo mar agenga. The cow has East Coast fever. Dhiang nigi tuo mar agenga. The cow has East Coast fever. Now, the fourth word of the day is also agenga. Same pronunciation. Agenga. An gi wach mar agenga. So I have a private matter. An gi wach mar agenga. Private matter. And I hope that you had a nice lesson, and I will see you tomorrow on day number 24.